1998 TVR Cerbera. This is the 4.5 litre V8. As you can see, the door is open there. This one's been in storage for some 12 years, dry storage, and is in need of a little bit of love. It's a non-runner currently. As you can see, we've got the doors open because it's all electric, so the doors are open there for a reason. And has been in storage for 12 years. If you check the website, James will detail all the history we've got on this one. Currently a non-runner. Not too sure what's wrong with it. But like I say, the vendor's had it in storage for 12 years and it's been sat there, not started for 12 years. So, right, bodywork wise, we'll start off with the bonnet, work our way around on the interior, and then I'll lift up the engine bay. We'll have a good look at that. Nice and straight up the centre of the bonnet. The paintwork is flat in places. You can't see that. It wants a good old polish. And there's a little bit of sort of tiny amount of bubbling under the paint there, a little bit of osmosis there, which is pretty standard for fiberglass cars these days. Nice and tidy across the back edge of the bonnet as we come down the wing, all nice and straight, no major crazing. We've got some stone chips across the front end. A few little stone chips here and there. Like I say, the paintwork is flat in places. Again, some stone chips all the way across the front there. Lights are all nice and clear, no major marks, no big crazing scuffs or scrapes on the bumper corners. All nice and clear, but a few little stone chips like I've mentioned. As we come round on the driver's wing, a little bit of a scuff there on the bonnet where it's been catching the wing at some point. Nice and tidy across the top of the wing. A few more little stone chips around the arch, but no big crazing or nastiness on the paint side of things on the wing. But like I say, what a difference a good polish would make. As we come up onto the windscreen, we've got some delamination on both sides there. The roof itself's all nice and straight, no major marks, but again, flat in the paintwork side of things. Back down the driver's door, across the lower half of the sill section's all right. Nice and tidy, all nice and straight, but again, flat in places on the paintwork. We've got a few little stone chips at the back edge of the driver's door. As we come round onto the rear quarter again, a few little bubbles in the paint there. You can just see the heads have just popped off them. But like I say, what a difference the polish would make on this one. Nice and straight on the rear quarter. As we come across the back of the boot lid, all nice and straight across the boot lid, all nice and tidy across there. Again, flat and a bit hazy on the paint side of things. The rear light lenses are all clear. The rear bumper corners are all scuff free. So is the actual back bumper itself. There's no big nastiness there. Got a tiny mark on the right hand side, and a few little bubbles in the paint itself. So come on to the rear quarter on the left hand side again, nice and straight on the left hand side. Would be a lovely colour when it's all clean. All nice and straight across the roof on the left-hand side as well. The quarter's good, no big scuffs or scrapes at all on the quarter. Obviously with it being fiberglass, you get no rust on the paint. All nice and straight across the rear quarter onto the passenger front door. Again, no big scuffs or scrapes. Nice and level down that side. Lower sill section's all good. The odd little stone chip here and there, but that's all to sort of be concerned about. Onto the left-hand front wing. Again, nice and tidy, all very presentable across the wing. No problems at all there. Again, a little bit of bubble in the paint there. You can just start to see that there. So it looks like tree sap. Let's go into the interior now. Again, warrants a good clean in here. Door card itself wants a bit of a clean, but it's all there. Rear seats again, want a nice clean in there, but it's all okay. And it's going to want a carpet set, this one. Bit of wear at the driver's bolster. We've got no rips or tears, but you can see the discolour on the leather on the side of the bolster there. And again, the insert swab wants a nice good scrub in there. Across the top of the dashboard's all right. Down the centre console's all right as well. Not much wear at all to the armrest. All nice and straight. Steering wheel's good. All the dials are nice and clear. See, this one's showing 41,247 there. But like I say, it has technically off the road for 12 years that we know of. Headliner wants good clean, but it's not sagging anywhere. Passenger seat's all okay. Again, you can see it wants a good scrub in there as well. The doors are all electric on these. They've got electric door poppers. That's why we've got the driver's door open. All nice and straight across the rear seats as well. Apart from a good clean in there. We'll go into the engine bay now. 4.5 litre V8. You can see look, there's a big carbon inlet. Good look around there. And there you have it. The TVR Cerbera. Like I say, non-runner this one. Wants a bit of love there. Been in storage for 12 years off the road, dry storage. Check the website for all the details on this one or any of our lots.